Do you suspect that your partner might be falling for someone they work with? Welcome to this important video on 13 warning signs your partner is falling for their coworker. Today, we'll discuss subtle and not so subtle signs that your partner's work relationship might be turning into something more. Stay tuned till the end, as understanding these signs can help you tackle the issue early on and protect your relationship. Number 13. The office spouse. Have you ever heard your partner jokingly mention their office spouse and brush it off as harmless fun? It's time to take a closer look. An office spouse is a coworker with whom your partner shares a close bond. And while it may seem innocent, it can be the start of an emotional affair. Is your partner constantly talking about their office spouse as if they're the highlight of their day? Do they seem to share more inside jokes with them than they do with you? If they're investing a significant amount of emotional energy into this work relationship, it could be the first warning sign that your partner is falling for their coworker. Number 12. Overtime overload. Does your partner suddenly have to work late all the time, leaving you to wonder if they're genuinely swamped or if there's something else going on? Occasional overtime is normal, but if it turns into a frequent pattern, it's time to investigate. Is your partner staying late at work specifically to spend time with their coworker? Do they always seem to have a vague excuse when you ask about their late hours? Are they defensive when you express concern about the amount of time they're spending at work? These could be warning signs that your partner is using overtime as a cover for getting closer to their coworker. Remember, you don't have to figure everything out on your own. So, after watching this video, check out the links in the description for additional support and guidance on improving your relationship. Number 11. Social media sweethearts. Have you noticed your partner interacting with a coworker more frequently on social media? Are they constantly liking, commenting, and sharing each other's posts, creating a digital bond that goes beyond professional collaboration? This increased online interaction could indicate an emotional connection that extends beyond the office. Watch out for private messages and flirty exchanges that may signal the beginning of an online love story. Remember, emotional affairs can start with something as simple as a few heart emojis on social media. Number 10. Personal presence. Has your partner started exchanging personal gifts with their coworker? While it's perfectly normal for colleagues to give each other occasional gifts during holidays or for birthdays, it's important to pay attention to the type of gifts being exchanged. If your partner is giving or receiving gifts that are intimate, sentimental, or expensive, it could be a sign of a deeper emotional connection. Is your partner hiding these gifts from you or acting secretive about the exchanges? It might be time to have an open and honest conversation about the nature of their relationship with their coworker. Don't let seemingly innocent gifts blindside you in the long run. Number 9. Shift in priorities. Is your partner suddenly prioritizing their coworker's needs over yours? Are they constantly rescheduling plans with you to accommodate their coworker's requests or staying late at work to help them out? If your partner is consistently putting their coworker first, it may be an indication that their feelings are growing stronger. It's crucial to address this shift in priorities and discuss how it's affecting your relationship. Remember, you shouldn't have to compete for your partner's attention and loyalty. Number 8. Dressing to impress. Has your partner started dressing up more for work, putting in extra effort to look good, or adopting a new style that you know their coworker appreciates? While it's normal to want to look presentable and stylish, if your partner is going out of their way to impress a specific coworker, it could be a sign that they're trying to catch their attention. Be observant and consider if these changes in appearance coincide with their growing closeness to their coworker. An innocent wardrobe update might be masking deeper intentions. Number 7. Sneaky texting. Do you notice your partner texting a coworker in secret, quickly putting away their phone when you enter the room, or turning off notifications when they're with you? Are they suddenly protective of their phone and anxious when you're around it? These secretive behaviors might be a clue that something is amiss. While respecting your partner's privacy is important, a sudden increase in guardedness surrounding their phone and communication with their coworker might indicate that their relationship is entering dangerous territory. trust your instincts, and address your concerns with your partner. Number 6. The vanishing act of intimacy. Has your partner become more emotionally distant from you, sharing personal stories and feelings with their coworker instead of confiding in you? Emotional intimacy is a key component of a strong relationship, and if your partner is investing their emotional energy in someone else, it can leave you feeling disconnected and hurt. Pay attention to whether your partner is opening up to their coworker about issues they used to discuss with you. Emotional intimacy with a coworker can be a strong indication that your partner is falling for them, and it's vital to address this issue before it drives a wedge between you. Number 5. A dangerous game of favorites. Does your partner constantly compare you to their coworker, often favoring the coworker's opinions, habits, or even their looks? This could be a sign that they are idealizing their coworker and may be developing feelings for them. If your partner begins to make unfavorable comparisons between you and their coworker, it's essential to confront this issue head-on. Addressing the comparisons and the underlying feelings can help prevent further damage to your relationship. Number 4. Turning work into pleasure. Are your partner's work meetings increasing, especially with that one coworker? While work meetings are a part of professional life, if your partner seems to have more meetings than necessary with a specific coworker, or consistently schedules lunch breaks and coffee runs together, it might be a sign that they're creating opportunities to spend time together. Keep an eye on how often they're meeting outside of regular working hours, and don't be afraid to express your concerns if you feel the frequency is excessive. Number 3. The mystery of the post-work euphoria. Does your partner seem unusually happy after work, even when they've had a stressful day? If they can't explain their sudden happiness, it might be because they're excited to see their coworker each day. This newfound zest for life could be an indication that their feelings for their coworker are growing. Keep track of any patterns in their mood and behavior, and consider discussing your observations with your partner to better understand what's going on. Number 2. The art of dodging the truth. Is your partner getting defensive when you bring up their relationship with their coworker? If they're unwilling to discuss it or become overly protective of their coworker when you express your concerns, it could be a sign that they're hiding something. This defensiveness might indicate that they're aware of their growing feelings but are unwilling to confront them or be honest with you. Encourage open communication and emphasize the importance of honesty in your relationship. Number 1. Trusting your intuition. Finally, trust your intuition. If your gut is telling you something is off, don't ignore it. Your instincts might be picking up on subtle cues that you haven't consciously recognized. Even if you can't pinpoint a specific reason for your unease, it's essential to take your feelings seriously and explore the possible reasons behind them. Have an open and honest conversation with your partner about your concerns, and work together to address any issues that may be threatening the stability of your relationship. Relationships can be tough, but you don't have to face them alone. Explore the links in the description for resources and support that can help you overcome any obstacle. Now that you know the 13 warning signs your partner might be falling for their coworker, it's important to address the issue calmly and openly. Communication is key in maintaining a healthy relationship. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice and insights. Remember, trust your instincts and don't be afraid to stand up for your relationship.